Together, ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to get on here and start the vlog off right because I'll be vlogging for the entire week. I mentioned a couple vlogs ago that me and Boo are going on a spring break trip.
Road trip.
Yep. And we're going with a couple other friends, but they're driving separate cars. We're only going to Orlando, which is about 2.5 hours from where we live and go to college. So we're driving up there and we got an Airbnb for like a couple of days. So we'll be up there and be exploring Orlando. I think I'm gonna vlog every day and have a vlog for every day because I don't want to compile it in like a week vlog. It's gonna be too much footage. So I just wanted to get on here and start it off right. We just got on the road. It is now 2:04 and today is Sunday, March 4th. Our spring break started on Friday. I had an exam. After the exam, we're ready. So we drove out not too long ago. And yeah. You guys say anything?
Y'all just pray for us on this road, man.
I just said a prayer. He's talking about, you pray? I'm like, well, he didn't say you pray like that, but he was like, you pray when you travel. I'm like, yes, because you need traveling grace. I think it's traveling grace or it's traveling mercy. One of them, but my grandma used to always tell me. So, yeah, it's about to be a fun time. I'm meeting back up with Jamesia. Most of you guys know her from my previous channel. She was my previous roommate and also one of my closest friends. But she stays in North Florida, so she's gonna drive down to Miami.
She stay in Jacksonville.
That's North Florida.
Hey, don't say no North Florida. Tell her what's Duval. She from Duval. All the Duval followers Duval. Ugly ass.
Why did you just go hard? She's from North Florida.
Jacksonville.
So is it Jacksonville, North Florida?
Man.
Anyways, y'all. So yeah, she's driving down to meet us at the Airbnb. I don't think she left out yet because she's a little bit closer to Orlando than we are. But we'll pick it back up when we get there. And I'll show you guys the house and everything.
Can't you behold these days? She be cheating on a boyfriend with his main man, but all in the nigga face. Talking about that. Like old MacDonald had a thought, E-I-E-I-O, and all the thoughts wanna take a spot, but she ain't gonna let that go. She suck a dick over here, and a dick over there, dick in the city, in the town, everywhere, everywhere. Hold up, bring that shit.
Come inside. This is the waiting room. Bathroom. Garage. Her bedroom. This is my friend's room. Another bathroom. Kitchen. Herb in here chefing it. This is our room.
Jamesia! Come say hi to my camera. I was trying to get you.
Oh, I didn't. Hi.
You didn't. What's
Y'all didn't even get your stuff out the car
kind of
yet?
cold, no?
Oh, I didn't either. You talking about what's gonna take, bro? Let me tell you what happened at the gas station. Hold on, let me think, cause I already told you. Then I'll be sure.
I gotta find my shoes. Yeah, we about to unpack the car and I'll be back. Okay. Tell the people them where to follow you.
Hey, if y'all want to follow me,
Psych. Anyways, hey y'all.
Why can't you end it?
We're in Wally World, well, the neighborhood Walmart, and we're about to cook dinner tonight. Y'all, I'm about sick of them already because they can't figure out what they want to eat. We got some over there, we got some over here. Baby, you know I don't like eggs like that, so. Talk to the camera, Chef Herbo. Talk to them. You know you're a comedian.
hey, let me know what you're making, bro.
I'm making pig. Never mind.
That's what we having tonight.
You don't want that, I don't know what to tell you.
So Herb is making wings with crab rice. See the crab over there cooking?
Hey,
Yeah.
bro, we gonna do the challenge?
Hey, let's do it tonight, bro. The water challenge.
Come across something.
Head ass.
Hey, Pico! Pico!
You're making a video. Hey, hey. Popeye. My nails go with your pants.
Bro,
Girl, you think, girl.
look, this one cracked. My thumbs is dirty. This one messed up. Like I'm
Oh yeah, this one fucked up more.
me and Lee, but no, this is the one that she fixed last week. This is a whole different nail. Me and Lee.
How'd that make you? So, did you miss me?
Yeah.
How much? Scale of 1 to 10. Damn.
I mean, I used to be by myself because you were busy. But it's like I still talk to you, but I just can't see you.
We see each other, we just can't touch each other.
Yeah, I can't go like this.
Yeah, all of that. Trying to convince Jamisa to come back to both of us.
Somebody else trying to convince me to go back too.
But you ain't gonna be there. Oh, it is like. Guess what, Herbert? No. Jamisa is scared of the roller coasters. What you are?
I like them, but I have to. It's just because I don't know what to expect. Once I get on, and I like it, but I have to. I don't know what to expect before I get on.
So you have to like build yourself up to get on.
I gotta.
I, on the other hand, I'm not. Hello, big boy. You guys probably can't even hear me. So bad. So over over here. Hubbard, come talk to the people. What we got here?
I don't
What do you have?
Baby.
You want to eat what?
I don't eat beans.
Alright.
I don't eat beans either.
So we got pork beans,
Gain weight, girl.
crab rice,
I have enough weight on me.
I ain't have enough weight.
and some. What kind of wings these is? Herb.
What?
Kind of wings.
Her no special.
Herb wing special. Made by this nigga right here.
I'm sitting at the head table because I'm your mama and your daddy.
Face ass. You looking at the mama and the daddy.
I'm about to eat the bone. I get that camera on me, girl.
Jesus was a cute?
Yeah.
Shut up. He said,
But I'm serious. Pico, tell him, bro.
Oh,
Bro, tell him
hey,
Jesus
when
was
the
a
fuck
cute,
this
bro.
shit came here? Everybody get my
Yo,
juice.
bro, I'm talking about Jesus. Stop cursing, bro.
Alright, bro.
Tell him
everybody-
Jesus was a Q, bro.
Jesus was a Q, everybody.
Tell him why. Tell him why.
Because we was driving in the car, we seen a whole bunch of Q's and they was repping Jesus.
That boy was a Q.
That's the story you want him to tell?
Yes. Okay. Alright, everybody start
great.
eating for a second.
Good job, son.
Put your head down.
Close your ears. Praise only me and you know.
Alright, come on.
honestly, this is God, so I'm gonna need y'all to put the chicken down. Herbert.
Listen, only us three ain't touch our food yet. Let's go.
Alright, well, alright.
Are
Lord,
we holding hands? Just me and Dwayne holding hands.
Yo, hold on, bro. Let me get this. Let's start praying now.
It's just me and Dwayne holding
Bro, hold the girl hand. But my hand dirty, bro.
Everybody
Alright, come
know.
on.
Dwayne, we don't.
By your head, close your ears, bro. Yeah.
Lord, we come to you at this time, you know, to thank you for the great time we have with each other. And for you to bless this food that we're about to eat. And just continue to lead us in the right direction and look over us as our time here on the vacation. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Let me tell you how Pico put the Pepto-Bismol on the Kool-Aid. Oh my God, I love that boy.
Is it recording?
Come on, boy.
Yes.
I bet.
Ain't nothing but a chicken wing, boy.
Yo, what it is, bro? That boy want to do the push-up contest?
There's no light over here?
Pregnant down, so what's up? You want to do these push-ups or what?
I bet you wanna go outside and stick me.
I bet you won't go outside and stick me.
Let's go. Let's go. Y'all follow us outside, bro.
What y'all doing outside? Remember, we live in a Caucasian neighborhood.
What my room at? Oh, yeah.
I don't have no sugar.
But I'm just let y'all know, man, it's about 20 degrees out here. Them boys out here ready to get. Better get that boy chained, man. Hold that boy peace, dog.
I got you, homie. Baby, I don't have no shoes. It's cold as fuck.
Me neither.
It's cold. It really is.
Yo, Dwayne, fuck this shit, man. Bring your ass back in the house. Hold on, let me talk to you.
Yeah, make sure y'all get my jewelry.
I ain't trying to hear that, man. Catch that ball, but that's what you do. We on this straightaway over here, boy.
Them boys out here, man. Them boys out here, man.
Yeah.
Oh! Hey, I'm a quarterback. Hey, I'm a quarterback. Boy, I'm a fucking quarterback. Tell him stop playing me.
Stop playing me, man. Pick that ball up. Pick that ball up, nigga. Hell, man.
Yo, we gonna get evicted. Baby, be quiet.
Nope.
Babe, y'all too loud.
Who that?
Hey, I don't even count.
Oh, that's rotten.
Y'all are too loud.
What's wrong with him, man? He tripping.
That was out of
I'm leaving y'all. Somebody come out their house.
Touchdown, nigga. Your turn.
Y'all give you one go now. Come on, tell me right, dog. Huh?
Don't be loud.
Yeah.
That good, nigga?
Oh, man, what? How you gonna tell me
Bitch,
look
look
where
where
the line at?
Yeah, right there.
If I can't touch you, yeah, I'm good.
Down.
Bitch, look how close you is.
But what do you mean, bro? How
Bitch,
close I
look
be?
where the ball at.
How close I be in practice, bro?
You can't be that close.
Why?
Cause you can't.
Don't touch me, bro.
Yo, I'm taking off if somebody comes out.
Stop playing me, man.
Okay, but you ready to come back, bro?
Right, throw the ball. You see here the
Man,
inside.
I ain't trying to hear all that.
Pico fool, bro.
Okay, babe, that's
Get your
it.
head back in that house, boy.
Man, you was out of bounds.
Get
You
your
didn't
ass
get
back
that.
in
So
the
you caught that? All right, go again. Go again, go again.
Put broke on the dive.
Bro, Pico, you suck. Throw the
I
ball.
didn't know what the hell was running.
Bitch, you see me open, throw the ball.
Look at this nigga over here with a scully on.
She the closest person out of all our friends. So she had to take that time.
Y'all don't know what kind of friends I got.
You don't got no friends.
You ain't getting them dreams. You love saying that.
Between me and the Lord is between me and the Lord. And bro, your toes cold. Get them off my booty.
And they crusty.
They're not crusty.
Crusty.
He's so fake, y'all. Give me some.
No.
Please.
No, please. I got mom.
Give me some, please.
I get some too. I just
Anyways, y'all, to end our first night in Orlando, the dynamic trio is chilling. And this boy got ice cream. Me and Jimmy over here watching videos. But
oh, this be so cute. It be like special needs dogs.
but that's so cute. Anyways, y'all, that wraps it up for today.
Wrap it up, wrap it up.
Tomorrow we have an early day. We're gonna wake up.
Wrap it up with that latex, or you gonna get that latex. I go late. You know what I'm talking about. They know what I'm talking about.
Wrap it up, y'all. Wrap it up.
Might start burning if you want to wrap it up.
Anyways, I have young viewers that don't know what the heck y'all talking about. Anyways, y'all, so yeah, like I said, we're gonna have an early morning tomorrow, so I will be vlogging all day. So this ends tonight. We just took a shower and we're chilling. So thanks. See you guys in tomorrow's vlog. See you later.
Peace out.
Peace out, Girl Scout. Ew.